Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about pricing strategies used by brands and specifically 7 strategies. Let's start with the first one. जब भी आपको कोई नया brand market में launch करना है, you have many options, either to go high or low price. In this option, you launch your brand at a higher price, and this method is known as the skimming strategy. In this case, the whole game is that you do not want to make profits later but profits initially by launching the brand at a higher price and keeping a higher margin. Most of the luxury brands operate in this particular space. Moving on to the next one, doing it the Ambani way, and this is the penetration strategy in which you launch your brand at a lower price. The idea is not to make profits but play a volume game, look at economies of scale, and distribute your product to the maximum number of people because the price is kept low. Margins are lower right now, but through volume, you kind of cover up that particular margin. Moving on to number 3, and this is known as psychological pricing. In this case, a lot of brands keep their pricing as 999, 1999. The idea is to play with their psyche and make the customers feel कि उनको discount मिला हुआ है. बात ₹1 की है, but because there is a 9 that starts there, it feels they're getting this at a better deal. Moving on to number 4, and that is loss leader pricing. Now, this is something that is used by a lot of supermarkets worldwide. In this case, what they do is they give discount on leading items like vegetables, fruits, और customers को ये लगता है कि ये discount मिल रहा है तो जाके खरीदना चाहिए. But as soon as they enter the supermarket, they also end up buying other items apart from fruits and vegetables. और ये चीज़ में उनका बिल बड़ा बनता है. So in this case, the supermarket or the store takes a loss on the leader or lesser marginal leader and makes the customer shop for other particular products. That is called as loss leader pricing. Moving on to number 5, and my favorite, this is anchor pricing. In this case, what you do is you say a product is for 3,000, strike it off, and then say the product is for 2,000. That means you give a reference point of a higher price and then bring down the customer to a lower price by cancelling it. A lot of brands do that. In fact, very famous Vijay Sales, अगर आप उसके स्टोर में जाके देखेंगे तो बड़ा 75 इंच का टीवी जो टिपिकली 2 लाख रुपए का होता है वो आपको 1,20,000 रुपए में कैंसिल करके दिखाता है. तो कस्टमर को ये लगता है कि 80,000 का डिस्काउंट मिल गया है. बट आइली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो टीवी का प्राइस उतना ही होता है. वो सिर्फ इन्फ्लेट करके आपको एक फिगर देते हैं जिसको बोलते हैं एंकर प्राइस. The iPod, in fact, was launched by Steve Jobs in the same way, where he mentioned one particular price when he launched the iPod, but ultimately said it is for a lesser amount. So anchor is the kind of the hook of the audience. So the anchor is used like to hook the audience to one price and then bring it down and say, ये लो आपको discount दे दिया है. Moving on to number 6, very world famous, used by the likes of Walmart, and this is known as the EDLP strategy, that is everyday low prices. Now, this is only possible when all these Walmarts, Metros, Carrefour and Reliance Marts of the world have their own private labels, जो उनके खुद के brands होते हैं. ये brand पे सबसे ज़्यादा discount दे पाते हैं. इसलिए when you walk into the store, every day there's a discount. The one that started that was Walmart. The one who brought it to India was Big Bazaar, and now you see D-Mart and Reliance Mart using it. As in, हर दिन customer को कोई ना कोई discount कोई ना कोई product पे मिलेगा. And finally, at number 7, which is unethical, but worth mentioning, is predatory pricing. In this case, let's say there are 2 players operating in the market, right? दोनों डिस्काउंट देने शुरू करेंगे अपने प्रोडक्ट पे, और एक प्लेयर विच इज कैश लोडेड विल गो बिलो द ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट टू सर्वाइव इन द मार्केट. और उसी वजह से दूसरे प्लेयर को भी अपना प्राइस नीचे लाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज कस्टमर उसका जा नहीं रहे. और एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि दूसरा प्लेयर जो कैश रिच नहीं है विल नॉट सर्वाइव एंड डाई. In this case, the other player might just acquire them. Now, if it rings a bell, I'm talking about an example of Jio Telecom when they came into the market. When Jio entered in 2016, there were close to about 8 to 9 telecom players in India. और Jio आने के बाद अभी बचे कितने हैं? 3. उसमें भी Vodafone Idea have come together. And number 2 पे Airtel है, number 1 पे Jio है. Jio kind of slashed the rates so badly, the others could not survive. And finally, we are left with only 3 big players in the Indian telecom business, all thanks to predatory pricing. So that's it. These are some of the pricing strategies used by brands around the world. I hope they are helpful. समझा ना? Easy है ये.